Hello everyone, I am Srisha from CSE AIML department. Today I want to present my Tech Talk topic. Does technology give adolescents more independence or does it make them more dependent? So before entering to my topic, I would like to ask a question that does technology primarily act as an enabler, fostering autonomy and self reliance, or an inhibitor, creating new forms of reliance and control? To answer this, there are some key areas of impact of this question, like independence. So, learning, social mobility, self expression, global awareness, these all are comes under independence. Dependence, device addiction, internet access, parental financial control. So, like this, there are some key areas of impact. So, let us discuss more about them. So, after dependence, there are access to information, global connection, self expression, and device internet internet addiction, external validation, information overloaded, like that. So these are some key aspects. Now we will discuss one by one clearly. First, access to information, like instant global knowledge, self-director, learning via tutorials, online courses, and research databases. These all comes under argument for independence, not for dependence. It is just for independence. Next, ability to connect with diverse groups and overcome traditional social hierarchies. This comes under global connection. Self expression. Platforms like TikTok, blogs, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. allow identity exploration and creative expression. Next, we'll be having argument for independence, like autonomy and practical life skills, logical autonomy, logistical autonomy, ride sharing apps, public transit tracking, and shared calendars enable independent management of time. Financial literacy apps and online sites hostels teach money management and entrepreneurship. Advocacy and activism. Teens organize and participate in social, political movements effectively. The device internet addiction. Reliance on devices for constant stimulation causes anxiety and focus issues. External validation, self worth tied to likes, shares, and follower counts. Information overload, difficulty separating credible sources from misinformation. These are argument for dependence, psychological and digital reliance. Next, next we have a look about parental monitoring, like apps enable high parental surveillance, limiting privacy. Financial gatekeeping, reliance on parenting for payment methods, limiting limits autonomy. Data and infrastructure, dependence on tech giants for devices and digital identity. Next, the conclusion, synthesis, the role of digital literacy. The conclusion, it's a spectrum, not a binary choice. Low digital literacy plus high monitoring gives us maximum dependence. High digital literacy plus supportive environment gives us maximum independence. Recommendation, focus on teaching mindful and critical technology use. Parents should act as coaches, not as controllers. So, the final conclusion about my topic is technology gives adolescents both independence and dependence, depending how it's used. On one hand, it empowers them to access information, learn new skills, express opinions, and connect with people worldwide, giving them a sense of freedom and autonomy. I'll give an example that it is this technology also making the adolescents independent in a good way. Like in olden days, the people used to meet the teachers to clarify their doubts, but nowadays, with a fraction of seconds, they are free from their doubts by using the technologies like ChatGPT, Meta, etc. So, in the other hand, constant reliance on smartphones, social media, and digital tools take them emotionally and socially dependent, affecting their focus, real world interactions, and self esteem. Uh, an example that is addiction. So, uh, as a coin has two faces, every topic has pros and cons. The pros are depends on us that how we are using the technology. The cause also depends on us how we are using them, like over addiction on internet or watching more and more them, it leads to the cons of the technology, and also depending more on, without using our brain, depending more on technology. So, in short, technology can be a tool for independence or dependence. The outcome depends on responsibility and mindfully adolescents use it. So, the total main theme of my topic is the key points are: technology offers potential for massive independence. Without guidance, it fosters independence. Digital literacy is the key to autonomy. So, uh, may I think there is we got some idea about the pros and cons of adolescence using technology. So, thank you.